So here's your clock running. It's connected. Everything's connected to it except the neons. As you can see here, the neons are not connected because they need to go through the hole, through the top, and then you connect them. And you have to make sure you observe polarity. Red is red and black is black. So that's important to observe that. The button I've got on a plug where you can unplug it, put it through the box, screw it down, and then plug it back in. The LDR is right here. As you can see, it's marked LDR in, LDR out. You don't have to observe polarity on it, but I don't know. If you're a nut like me, you have to. I'm not OCD, I'm CDO. It's the same thing, but it has to be in alphabetical order. I'm going to send this thing hooked up the way it is. It's all hooked up to the meter. You can undo the two wires on the back of the meter and put them inside the box and then take them outside the box to hook up to the meter. And the red is the positive and the black is the negative, as you'll see on right there in the back, either side. Uh, the R, R, the RGBs inside, as you can see, I have them hooked together, but you'll have to take them apart and then hook them back together in parallel for them to go to the 9 volts out. Now I've also included a toggle switch so you can turn these lights off if you want. So you just put that on one of the legs. In other words, break one of the legs and put the toggle switch in so that you can turn the lights off in case you want it off, like if it's in a bedroom and you don't want this thing waking you up all the time shining in the dark because it is pretty bright. So anyway, I'm going to set it all hooked up, which I figure is the least is the easiest way to explain how to assemble it. You'll only have to disconnect one wire, um, and this just twisted together. Matter of fact, I don't think I have enough to do that. Anyway, you'll have to disconnect the wires to the plug. One of them's twisted together, and then you're going to have to cut the other one. It's right here. This one you'll have to cut and reconnect to this one because that's your power in. But as you can see, your plug has got to go in the box first. But other than that, everything else is connected the way it should be. If you have any questions, call me and we'll see if we can work it out. I sent with the 2 plate screws to screw it down, and also copper covers for the tops of those screws that go into the box. It just dawned on me I've got them on upside down. So anyway, other than that, now this side over here is got you got to have this side has got to have an insulator top and bottom, but it'll be it'll be there. So the screws are upside down. They're supposed to be the other way, but my brain wasn't working. But you'll obviously you'll see that connects to the top of the box and holds it. So anyway, hope this helps, and I'll send this along to you. Thank you.